And we have football. What's up, guys? I'm Alec White with the Arizona Daily Star, and I'm doing a game day vlog this year. Hopefully at these Arizona Wildcats home football games, we're gonna get a chance to show you guys some behind the scenes coverage of what it's like to have these football games played here in the midst of the pandemic and the Pac-12 trying to have a 6 to 7 game season. The Wildcats had their first game against Utah canceled, but today we've got USC. So I'm here in the stands, section 24, 10-yard lines right in front of me. So today we're just gonna give you guys some behind the scenes, some highlights. Sit back and just tune in. Thanks for tuning in to the very first game day vlog. We're gonna be back all season here for the Wildcats. We'll hopefully do some in basketball. I'm Alec White. Thanks for tuning in.